Jonathan with the company Junk Quest. We're out here today doing a shed removal over in McKinney. Let's see how long it takes us. All right, guys, that's it. We did that shed like it was nothing. It looks brand new, like there was nothing even there. If you need a shed removal or a garage clean out or something like that in the area, we're in Allen, Frisco, McKinney, Plano, Prosper, Lucas, Parker, Wiley, anywhere you can think of that's nearby, we're probably gonna be able to service you. Give me a call or text us at 469-996-1696. Thank you, guys.